What up, guys? The Crypto Homie back at you with yet again another video. In this video, we will be discussing Chainlink. Will we see a $35 Chainlink this year? And why is the crypto sentiment so fearful? And we're also going to go over some news about Chainlink. But as always, guys, before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So as you guys can see, let's check out that Chainlink chart real quick. We popped up today up to about $13.30. That's what's up. Just wanted to show you the 50 daily moving average. Looks like we're holding that as resistance right now. We definitely want to break through the 50 daily, and so we can create that as support, to move up to our next higher, beat that $14 area, the $14.50 area. And something else I wanted to quickly show you guys was the Bollinger Bands. If you guys are not familiar, right now the middle of that is around the $14 area. Just like I said, where there's like resistance in this area between like 1350, 1450, major resistance in that area as well. We want to break that and hold that as support. So you guys, honestly, buying Chainlink, I mean, it's below the 50 daily. It's definitely a great buy in my book. And as you guys can see, I mean, down to the $10 area was definitely a great buy. And there's some not so bullish news right now. The sentiment of the market's not so bullish. So we're going to dive right into that. So let's first get an update on the Fear and Greed Index. As you guys can see, it's at 38. So it's a little bit less than the previous video that I showed it around 41. So hey, people are just, they're more bearish, more fearful. And that's where I got this article that was super bearish about Chainlink. And guys, these articles are created during these hard times to have you sell your bag. And then when everything pops, you're missing out. So guys, these are great times to stock up. You got to do it the opposite of what the herd is doing. The herd is selling. The herd is freaking out. You got to be loading up on your favorite alts and Bitcoin, of course. So let's just dive into this article and let's just go into what they're talking about. Let's see if there's any truth to it. So Chainlink, Link continues to shrug off calls of a bubble. It says, quick take, in addition to Zeus Capital, some crypto analysts believe that the Chainlink bubble has popped, has burst. Most cite that 70% of Link's supply is held by 9 whales. Chainlink's value in the crypto markets continue to defy these calls, at least in the short term. Guys, I've been in this market for a while, and I've heard this over and over again with a bunch of coins. There's always, oh, it's a bubble. Oh, there's 5 whales that own the coin. There's 10 whales. You can't trust it because it's highly manipulated. Oh, it's not doing good. The charts aren't looking good. Oh, there's just excuse after excuse after excuse. And guys, when everything goes up in the bull run, it continues to go up. And sometimes, such as this coin, I mean, Chainlink was one of the first coins to make an all-time high before Bitcoin. I know BNB made an all-time high before Bitcoin. But Chainlink is probably going to be the coin of the year for 2020. The year has not ended, but I will not be surprised if Chainlink is the best altcoin of 2020. So let's dive into some more of this article. In the month of August, Chainlink wowed the cryptoverse by skyrocketing from approximately $8 to $20 in 2 weeks. The surge in price was due to euphoria surrounding the Link digital asset and its importance in the DeFi industry. Additionally, Link Marines heeded the call to liquidate Zeus Capital, who has predicted that its value would drop to zero. The latter had stated that Chainlink is pure vaporware. Guys, the odds of any coin going to zero is very unlikely. There's such a low % chance of anything going to zero. Even when venture capitalists invest into all these startups, there's such a small percentage of them that actually go to zero. So the odds of Chainlink going to zero, I mean, it's laughable in my opinion, but it's very unlikely. I mean, and they have the partnership with Google. These are the things this article is not looking at. It's only looking at the negative side of things. What about the good things? So continuing on. Additional calls that Chainlink is a bubble. As it turns out, Zeus Capital is not the only entity that believes that Chainlink is highly overvalued, and its price would soon correct hard. A quick research of crypto Twitter believes that several crypto enthusiasts hold a similar opinion, as it can be seen in the tweets below. Looks like the Link pump and dump is entering its dump phase. Link Marines in disbelief. Those Twitter accounts that show Link made tons of money, and now noobs holding heavy bags. I always said Link was the new XRP. Going to be fun watching noobs learn a hard lesson by ER Crypto 71 on Twitter. And Link submarines had 3 years to understand that Sync is a pump and dump Ponzi. I warned you, now you stay poor, at Greek_prick. Guys, this doesn't make any sense to me. You know, with XRP, it was an underperformer in 2017. So like the last 3 weeks of 2017 is when it went sky high, okay? And like this right here, in my opinion, is just FUD. The fear, uncertainty, and doubt. They're spreading FUD about Chainlink. And hey, guess what? I wouldn't be surprised for this thing to see it around $40, $35 by the end of the year. Moving on to the article, 70% of Link's supply is held by 9 whales. Additionally, many who believe that Link is a bubble cite that one reason to be cautious with Chainlink is that 70% of the token supply is held by 9 whales. This fact has been highlighted several times, as can be seen in the following tweets. So they're just showing 70% of the coins are held by 9 whales, and they're supporting the case that it's also the case with BitConnect, Plus Token, and OneCoin, and those were all proven to be Ponzi's. But keep in mind, like Chainlink's partnered with Google. Chainlink is working in DeFi. So, I mean, if Chainlink's a Ponzi, then, I mean, you'd have to say that the whole thing of DeFi is a Ponzi. So just start throwing that out there. I definitely don't believe Chainlink's a Ponzi or Chainlink's a scam. I just think it's something that's new and innovative, and they're in the DeFi space. There's definitely Ponzi's in the DeFi space, but I do not believe Chainlink is one of them. So, and this is like there's some more tweets about it if you guys want to get into the tweets. It just says Chainlink continues to defy calls of bubbles. Checking the charts, Chainlink is once again trading above $12 at the time of this writing. Link is battling to overcome the $13 resistance zone, and it looks set to keep pushing till $14 in the days to follow. Chainlink's current market actions leads one to conclude that at least in the short term, Link is defying all calls of a bubble and the project being vaporware. Revisiting the daily Link/USD chart reveals that the token is once again trading above the crucial 50 daily moving average. Guys, what's interesting though, that's on Binance. And let's look at this a little bit bigger. It is above the 50 daily. When I go on the Coinbase one, we're actually below it. So that's interesting. So it depends on what chart you're looking at. Interesting. It says, furthermore, trade volume is in the green with the daily MACD attempting to cross in a bullish manner below the baseline. The daily MFI is once again in a neutral territory at 48 and could hit a bullish few days for Link as it attempts to break the $14 level. As stated in earlier analysis, $8.80 is a crucial level to watch, as it was the last time high set before August push by Link Marines to liquidate Zeus Capital. Do you guys actually believe that? Let me know down in the comments below. If Link were to correct hard, this would provide valuable line of defense for bulls. As with all analysis of Chainlink, traders and investors, we are advised to use adequate stop losses when trading Link on the various derivative platforms. Guys, do you really believe that the Link Marines just wanted to liquidate Zeus Capital, and that's the only reason why it popped up to 20 bucks? I don't know. I definitely do not believe it, but let me know down in the comments below. It's always nice hearing different perspectives. So guys, there's some bullish stuff in here. There's some bearish stuff in here. But keep in mind, like this bearish stuff, I'm just not buying it. I think it's just some FUD so you can sell your bag so they can buy it at a lower price. Because the people that really know the value of Chainlink, they'd rather the price go down in the short term because they know long term it's going to go sky high. So let me know down in the comments what do you guys think about this article? What do you guys think about the current market conditions of being so fearful? And just want to end this video with a reminder that, hey, from September 7th to September 21st, you can get your Ledger Nano S, Ledger X for 20% off if you use the link in the description of my videos, and then type in the promo code when you're at checkout. Back to school, get 20% off. Alrighty, guys. As always, homies, this is not financial advice. This is just pure entertainment. Take responsibility for your own investments. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Smash the like button, subscribe for more content. The Crypto Homie is signing out.